Hello everyone, we're doing a quick check-in video. It's been 2 months since we pruned and fertilized this container rose in particular, my Double Delight, the oldest one that I have, and I just wanted to show you guys. I'll put the picture or the link to the video of how short we took it down, but we really hacked this sucker down and it is doing great. I'll show you. We've got some great blooms on it. I haven't really been picking them because they're just so pretty out here, but it's been 2 months and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blooms that have either opened or will be opening. So that's pretty amazing. So if you guys haven't ever pruned your roses, or it isn't quite time for you but you're considering doing it in the future, highly recommend it. The other roses got a little bit of fertilizer in there because they're showing me they don't need to be pruned. And I'll just show you really quick. This is the Dark Desire, and it has made a very large cane that's this tall, so it's doing good. I'm not gonna walk over there right now, but the Joseph's coat is doing great. Has had a few blooms. I've been posting some of them on Instagram. Our Mr. Lincoln and Red Intuition have been doing good. We actually had a Mr. Lincoln the other day, or actually not too long ago. It's doing well, and the Red Intuition I can see has a bloom coming in too, so exciting. My poor Portlandia rose, we had a bad storm the other day with hail and everything, and the wind kind of has blown it over, and I was gonna stake it back up, but I think it's going to adjust on its own. But oh my god, you guys, look at these Granada roses. I mean, this barely got a trim. Like, I took a few little things off, but this, I mean, they don't last long, but they are beautiful. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blooms, or going to be blooms soon, and they are just magnificent. That's all I got to share for you guys today. Just a quick rose check-in. Puppies are doing well. Molly's sunbathing. Yeah, so prune your roses, fertilize your roses.